Good morning, students. Welcome to you in e-learning classes of Standard 8 is organized by Modern English School, Nevada. I myself, Repti Raman, mathematics teacher of Modern English School, New Area, Nevada. Students, today I shall discuss with you about percentage. Students, percentage means how many hundreds, anything, how many hundreds. So percent, the symbol of percentage is, it is the symbol of percentage. You have learned about percentage in previous classes, class 5, 6, 7, now 8 also given percentage, but here I shall review them. Students, first of all, in term 1 is X percent means. X percent means remove sign of percentage, change X equal to X by 100. Percent symbols reduce, write X in the form of X by 100. Similarly, 5% means 5 by 100. 5 by 100 in fractional form, it's changed into decimal form, equal to 0.05 divided by 100. So decimal change into 2 plus. So 50 decimal 0. So 0.05. And 5 by 100 change into simplest form. 25 is 100. So 1 by 20. And it's also changed into ratio 1:20. In point number 3 is 25%. 25% means 25 by 100. Remove symbol of percentage, then 25 divided by 100. So 25 by 100 is changed into decimal form 0.25, and in simplest form 25 for the 100. So 1 by 4 equal to in ratio 1:4. Students, a number is 2 by 5. 2 by 5, a fractional number. It's changed into percentage. So any number, they have to change into percentage, then it multiplied by 100. 25 multiplied by 100%. 25 multiplied by 100%. So cancel it. 25 is 100 and 22 is 40%. That means 2 by 5 means 40%. And one thing, 4:2 or 3:5, sorry. 3:4, a ratio number. It's changed into first of all fraction 3 by 4. Now 3 by 4 change into percentage. So 3 by 4 multiply 100%. So 25 4 is 100 and 25 3 is 75%. One thing that when given x by 100, if you given x by 100, that means x percent. If given 5 by 100, that means 5%. If given 2 by 100, that means 2%. Write it. Students, now I shall solve examples of exercise 9A. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 I shall solve. I have solved. Now example 6. Example 6, which is largest? It is very important questions. which is largest? 16 whole 2 by 3%, 2 by 15 and 0.12. Here all of them are different form. So change all of them in the form of percentage. So first 16 whole 2 by 3%. It is changing percentage equal to 16.666 percentage. 16.666%. Now next number is 2 by 15. It's also changed into percentage. So fractional number we have to change in percentage. It multiplied by 100. So change it. 2 by 15 multiplied by 100. 3 5 ja 5 3 ja 15 and 20. 25 ja 100. Now change into 40 by 3%. 40 by 3%. So 40 by 3% means it is 16 whole 2 by 3%, and 40 by 3% means 14 whole 13 whole 1 by 3%. It is 13 whole 1 by 3%. And next is in decimal form 0.12. It's also changed into percentage. So 0.12 means 12 by 100, and 12 by 100 means 12%. It is 12%, 13 whole 1 by 3%, or it is 16 whole 2 by 3%. Therefore, clearly 16 whole 2 by 3% is largest. 16 whole 2 by 3% is largest. Answer. Write it. Students, next question is example 8. Find 7 whole 1 by 2% of rupees 2,400. So write it. 7 whole 1 by 2% of rupees 2,400 equal to 7 to the 14 plus 1 15. 15 by 2% of rupees 2,400. Next step is remove percentage. So 15 by 2 into 100 of rupees 2,400. Double zero to double zero cancel. Now 12 to the here multiply 15 into 12 equal to rupees 180. Answer. Write it. Students, next important question is example 9. If 26% of a number is 65, find the number. In this type question, let the required number be x. Let the required number be x. According to question, 26% of a number. So that means 26 by 100 of a number. Number is x equal to 65. Now, by transposition, 26 by 100 change into 100 by 26, because A by B by transposition change into B by A. So x equal to 65 into 100 by 26. 13 to the 26 and 13 5 ja 65. Now 52 जा 100 and 55 जा 200 250 answer. Write it. Students, next question is example 10. Sarita spends 65% of her salary and the rest she saves. If she saves rupees 2,940 per month, what is her monthly salary? So let the salary be rupees X per month. So Sarita spends 65%. So a spend 65% means 65 by 100 of X. So write it. 25 ja 100 and 13 5 ja equal to rupees 13x by 20, and the rest she saves. If she saves rupees 2,940, so spend and saves. Find saves. Save x minus 13x by 20, LCM 20, so 20x minus 13x equal to 20x minus 13x equal to 7x by 20. According to question, according to question 7x by 20 it saves and given saves rupees 2,940, so equal to rupees 2,940. That means x equal to 7 by 20 by transposition change into 20 by 7, so rupees 2,940 into 20 by 7 by 7, 7 4 ja 28, 1 4 14, 7 2 ja 14 and 0. Now multiply it. Rupees 42 2 ja 84 and double 0, 8,400 answer. Students, homework: solve examples. Solve examples of exercise 9A. Students, today your homework is solve examples of exercise 9A. Thank you. That's all.